As you can see, I have just created this Excel sheet, which is just amazing. What you have to do is just to provide the diameter of the bar in mm, let's say 12 mm, and then the length of the bar in meters, let's say 100 meters. Now what you have to do is just to press the enter key from your keyboard. Bam, that's done. This is gonna give me the weight of the same bar in kgs, in pounds, in quintals, and in tons. And this is quite simple, okay? You can also just create or model the same Excel sheet from your computer. Hey guys, I'm Suleiman Khan, and in this video, I'll be creating an Excel sheet which can give us the weight of bar in different units, like in kg, pounds, quintals, and tons. Okay, let's do it. As you can see, the first column that represents the diameter of the bar. So dia of bar, and make sure that's in mm, okay? And then we have the length of bar, and make sure that's in meter, okay? And then we have the weight of bar. Now make sure you are a little bit familiar with the Excel, okay? So you can do the work very quickly. As you can see, we have the dia bar, and I'll be just giving the die bar over here. So let me just merge and center that and this one as well, okay? So we can have the same format, you can say. All right, that's done, okay? Now as you can see, we're gonna have the kg, okay, the weight of bar in kg, then in pounds you can say, or lbs, and then in quintal, and then of course in tons. Okay, now let me just have some, you can say, borders. So let's say we have some borders over here, okay, all borders, and over here I don't want borders. No problem, you can do it very quickly. Okay, I'm not gonna provide colors because this is gonna increase the length of the video. Okay, so let's just do it very quickly. Let's have the formula over here in this cell. Okay, what I have to do is just to provide the formula, and I'll start from the equal sign. Okay, so you have to start it with equal sign, and then let's say we're gonna provide the diameter, which is actually this cell, which is going to be this cell. Okay, and that is C11. Okay, now I'm gonna have the square of the same, you can say, cell, which is the diameter, so it means d square, or you can say the dia square. Okay, and then let's close the bracket. Now I'll multiply the same thing with the length of the bar, you can say, and this is actually the same cell, which is D11. So I'm going to specify this cell. Okay, now let's just close the bracket, and then let's just divide the same thing by 162.198. That's gonna be so simple. I think I'm going to just close the same D11, okay, in the brackets, no problem, and then press enter. As you can see, we have zero video, but let me just provide the diameter, let's say 15, and then the length, as you can see, we have 1000, let's say. Okay, that's cool. Okay, now let me just provide 12 and 100, so we can confirm that with the above video. As you can see, this is the same video. Okay, you can also just increase the, you can say, the size. Let me just select all these things, and then let's say the center and this guy. This is actually the weight of the bar in kgs. Okay, and this is actually the diameter and the length that's represented in the diagram. Now let's say we have to provide equal, and for the pounds, make sure you know how much pounds do we have in 1 kg. Okay, so let's specify that one. Okay, just you can say E11, which is the answer for kgs, or you can say the bar's weight in kgs. And now we will multiply the same thing with 2.204, because 1 kg is actually 2.204 pounds. Okay, and then press enter. That's done. Equal again in the other cell, and we will actually just specify the same video, which is actually in kg, and then quintals. Okay, 1 kg, or you can say 1 quintal, that is actually 100 kgs. Okay, so let me just divide this video by 100, because 1 quintal is just 100 kgs. So these are actually the quintals now. Okay, now let's just convert the same kgs, which is actually this thing, into tons, and make sure you just divide this video by 1000, because 1000 kgs means 1 ton. That's done. Okay, so we have the same, you can say, Excel sheet. Okay, is this one. You can have some colors. Okay, no problem, I'm not gonna waste your time, okay, using those steps. So let's just change the diameter of the bar for a moment. Let's say if we have the diameter is 30 mm, and then the length is, you can say, 500, and then press enter. Okay, man, that's done. Okay, just the kgs, 2774 kgs, and that is actually pounds, 6114 pounds, 27 quintals, and 2.77 tons. Pretty cool. Okay, just create this by yourself. Don't ask in the comment section for the same Excel sheet. Just make it by yourself. See you in the next video.